So I retightened my hair. I retightened the front of my hair, what was that, about 3 to 4 days ago. And when I get to the front, you know, I'm noticing like these little bumps. Hopefully you can see, like right here, right there, and then like little small ones over here. Which they don't hurt, thankfully, but you know, they're just traction bumps, because that's just indicating that when I did retighten my hair in the front, I retightened it too tight. So this is just a reminder that when you are retightening your hair, try to be as you don't have to get it as tight as possible, because that's going to be uncomfortable, and it can also cause breakage and damage. I usually leave my edges out. I really don't know why I did it this time, but it's a learning experience, and this is my second time retightening my hair. And like I said, the first time I did leave some edges out, but this time I don't know why I didn't, but I didn't. So I just came on here to let you know that when you're retightening, you do not have to retighten to the bone. Like, you don't have to get it as tight as possible. If you can't fit in a full rotation, then just stop where you are, because it'll be worth it in the end. So you won't have traction bumps, or you won't experience thinning, or, you know, losing any of your locks around the perimeter. So this is what the front of my head looks like. I'm gonna put some oil on it, and like I said, it doesn't hurt or anything, but tension, they're literally there from the tension that I caused from retightening them too tight. Okay, so this is just a learning lesson. So do not retighten your hair so tight, especially around the perimeter. But yeah, I just wanted to come over here and give you guys that lovely reminder. I still have to retighten the back of my hair, so you'll see my retightening vlog once I finish retightening the back of my hair, which will probably be it will be sometime this week, but I don't know when. So yes, remember, not too tight. If you can't fit another rotation, just stop right there. It doesn't have to be super tight in order to look good, because it'll still look good and retighten if you go one rotation less. I just want to let you guys know that, because we're on this journey together, and you know, I'm learning as I go. So I'm going to share everything that I learned from my journey with you, so maybe you can apply it to your journey.